Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Holden Cruze, stock number 5928. This ran from 03-2009 to 02-2011. It has a 318D4 1.8 litre petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a F18D4 1.8 litre petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag, some rash. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Left rear, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door trim. Master switch. Center console. Manual gear stick. AC controls. Factory 6-stack stereo. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Interior mirror. Courtesy light. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.